Most high performers believe that constant exertion is the only path to mastery. This is a structural error. If you treat your mind like an engine that never idles, you invite catastrophic system failure, burnout, diminished focus, and the collapse of creative throughput. Today, we install the Decompression Protocol to transform your downtime into an engine for peak performance. The primary constraint is cognitive monopolization, the state where your focus is permanently locked on high-stress operational tasks. Without a buffer state, your brain loses the ability to perform lateral thinking, which is where innovation resides. To optimize, you must implement strategic disengagement. This is not relaxing. It is the deliberate application of a non-work hobby to clear your cache. Choose a hobby that demands high engagement but zero operational stakes. Whether it is physical training, complex craftsmanship, or strategic gaming, the activity must force your brain into a state of flow independent of your primary work. This allows your subconscious to continue solving high-level problems while your conscious mind recovers. Finally, execute the transition trigger. Use your hobby as a hard reset to bracket your workday. When the hobby begins, the work ends. This boundary protects your operational capacity from bleeding into your recovery, ensuring you return to your primary machine with maximized focus and zero latency. Stop equating exhaustion with effectiveness. Stop monopolizing your own mind. When you engineer your decompression with the same precision as your production, you transform from a reactive player into an unstoppable system of output. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.